Guys, what's up? Today's day 68 of the 100 Days of LeetCode. We got an easy problem, move zeros. Let's get right to it. So we're given an integer array nums. We want to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. And we can't make a copy of the array. We have to do this in place. Okay, so here's an example. That's our array. We move this zero and this zero to the right of the array, and then we have 1, 3, and 12 at the beginning of the array. Okay, easy enough, right? Now here, we just have 1, 0, so I mean, yeah, we're moving it to the end of the array, but that means we're not doing anything. Okay, so we just return 0. Okay, so our approach is going to be this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a variable. We'll call it non-zero, and this is going to be basically a pointer that keeps track of where the non-zero element that we find needs to go. Okay, so now we're going to do a for loop. I is for int I equals 0, I less than nums dot length plus plus I. We're going to do if nums I is not equal to 0. So basically, as we're iterating through the array, if we come across a number that's not equal to 0, we're going to set the value at our non-zero index to nums I, and we're going to increment non-zero. Okay, the reason why we're doing this, right, is because we're basically keeping track of where this element needs to go, and then we're just going to change that value and keep iterating through the array. So this non-zero is only going to get incremented when we come across a number that's non-zero. Okay, so now that's it for that loop. But what we can do is we can create another for loop, and we're basically going to leave the left-hand side blank. We can do that in Java, and we're going to use non-zero less than nums dot length plus plus non-zero. Okay, and then what we're going to do inside this for loop is we're just going to say nums non-zero is equal to 0. Okay, so basically we're picking up at the index after the last number that is non-zero in our modified array, right? And then we're just going to start putting zeros everywhere. Okay, so we're not doing any swaps per se with like a temp variable, but essentially what we're doing is we're just keeping track in this loop of where the next non-zero number needs to go. We're putting it there, and this non-zero pointer has the added benefit of being able to be used in this next loop as well to figure out where we need to set our zeros. Okay, and that's pretty much it. There you go. That's how you solve that one. That was day 68. If you guys enjoyed that video, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.